Renting a car.
Hello, welcome. How can I help you today?
I want to rent a car.
Sure. Do you need it for 1 day or more?
I need it for 2 days.
Okay. What type of car do you want?
I want a small car.
That is a good choice. Small cars are easy to drive.
Yes, I'm not very good at driving big cars.
Do you have a driving license?
Yes, I have my driving license here.
Perfect. May I see it, please?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. Everything looks fine.
Is the car clean and new?
Yes, all our cars are clean and well maintained.
That is great. I like clean cars.
Do you want automatic or manual?
I want automatic.
Okay, I will give you an automatic small car.
Thank you. What color is the car?
It is white.
White is nice.
Do you need GPS in the car?
Yes, I need GPS, please.
No problem. I will add GPS.
That is very helpful.
Do you plan to travel far?
Yes, I will visit my family.
That sounds nice.
Can I return the car at night?
Yes, you can return it anytime.
Great, that is very flexible.
The price is $20 per day.
Okay, that is fine.
Do you agree with the price?
Yes, I agree.
Please sign here.
Okay, I will sign it.
Here are the car keys.
Thank you very much.
You are welcome. Drive safely.
I will, thank you.
If you have any problem, call us.
Okay, I will call if needed.
Have a safe trip.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye. Take care.
Losing a wallet.
Excuse me, can I help you?
Yes, I lost my wallet.
I'm sorry to hear that. Where did you last see it?
I think I had it at the security check.
Okay. Do you remember the color of your wallet?
It is black.
Was there money inside?
Yes, some cash and cards.
Don't worry, we will try to help you.
Thank you, I am very worried.
Please tell me your name.
My name is Lily.
Okay, Lily, please wait here.
I hope someone found it.
We will check the lost and found section.
Thank you so much.
Did you carry any bag with you?
Yes, a small handbag.
Was the wallet inside the bag?
I am not sure. I think I took it out.
Okay, we will check CCTV if needed.
That is helpful.
Please sit and relax.
I feel very nervous.
Don't worry, we often find lost items.
Really? That makes me feel better.
Yes, many people get their items back.
I hope I get mine too.
What time did you arrive?
Around 10 in the morning.
Okay, I will check that time.
Thank you for helping me.
You are welcome.
You are very kind.
We found something. Please wait.
Oh, really?
Yes, we found a black wallet.
That is mine.
Please check it.
Yes, it is my wallet. Thank you so much.
I'm happy we found it.
I feel so relieved.
Take care next time.
I will. Thank you again.
You are welcome.
Taking a photo.
Hello? Do you need help?
Yes, can you take my photo, please?
Of course. Where do you want to stand?
I want to stand near this beautiful place.
Okay, that is a good background.
Thank you. Is this angle good?
Yes, it looks nice. Smile, please.
Okay, I'm smiling.
Do you want portrait or full body photo?
Full body photo, please.
All right, stand a little back.
Like this?
Yes, perfect.
Is the light good here?
Yes, the light is very good.
Okay, I'm ready.
1, 2, 3.
Please take one more.
Sure, I will take more.
Thank you for helping me.
You are welcome.
I like taking photos here.
Yes, it is a beautiful place.
I hope I look good in photos.
Don't worry, you look good.
That is very kind of you.
Let me show you the photo.
Wow, it looks very nice.
Do you want another pose?
Yes, one more funny pose.
Okay, do something funny.
Like this?
Yes, that is great.
Thank you so much.
You are welcome.
At the playground.
Hello, Lily. This is a nice playground.
Yes, I like it very much. It is very beautiful.
It is a good place to relax.
Yes, I feel very happy here.
Do you come here often?
Yes, sometimes I come here after work.
That is nice. Fresh air is very good.
Yes, I like fresh air and trees.
Do you want to sit on the swing?
Yes, I want to try it.
Okay, sit here slowly.
Like this?
Yes, perfect. Hold the ropes.
Okay, I'm ready.
I will push you slowly.
Oh, wow, this is fun.
I told you it is fun.
Yes, I feel very happy.
Do you like playgrounds?
Yes, I really like them.
Me too. They are peaceful.
Thank you for coming with me.
You are welcome.
This place makes me feel relaxed.
Yes, it is very calm here.
I don't want to leave early.
We can stay a little more.
That sounds good.
Let's sit and enjoy the view.
Yes, good idea. Buying vegetables at farmer market.
Hello, welcome to our market.
Hello, I want to buy vegetables.
Sure, what do you need?
I need tomatoes and potatoes.
Sure, how many kilos?
2 kilos of tomatoes, please.
All right, and potatoes?
1 kilo of potatoes.
Fresh or old potatoes?
Fresh, please.
Good choice. Everything is fresh today.
That is nice.
Do you want cucumbers too?
Yes, half a kilo.
No problem.
Are these vegetables organic?
Yes, they are from local farms.
That is very good.
Do you cook at home every day?
Yes, I cook every day.
That is healthy.
I like healthy food.
That is good for you.
How much is everything?
It is $15 total.
Okay, that is fine.
I will pack everything for you.
Thank you.
Here is your bag.
It looks fresh and clean.
Yes, everything is fresh.
Thank you for your help.
You are welcome.
I will come again.
We will wait for you.
Bye.
Bye. Have a nice day.